Now let us start with the sum with the work note. Now they have given stock value is 20,000. But there is a reduction in the value of stock to the percent of 10%. So it is 2,000. The value has come down. Then furniture value is 1,000. That also similarly 10%. So it comes to rupees 100. And then they say debtors to be created 5% provision for bad and doubtful debtors. So now the value of the debtors given is rupees 16,000 into 5%. Now this comes up to rupees 800. Then we say the value of the building has been appreciated. Now the value of the building is given as rupees 25,000, appreciated to the extent of 20%. So it comes to 5,000. Okay. So only these are the items that will go into the revaluation account. Now all that which has been except building, only the value of the building has gone on top. So that's got to be credited. So by building account to the extent of rupees 5,000. The rest to be debited. So to stock account is rupees 2,000. To furniture account is rupees 100. Then to provision for bad and doubtful debts to the percentage of 5%, 800. I think we have made an entry of everything. So now let us comes up to 5,000. We have to subtract the value come here 2,900. Okay. So 2,100 is a to profit on revaluation account. Now that has to be transferred to capital account. Okay. Now 2,100 has to be divided among two partners, that is Mr. Rajan and Selvam. So 2,100. Now the ratio given is 3:1. So it is 3/4 into 3/4. Now this when you calculate comes up to 1575, if I am correct. And here it comes up to 525. Okay. So you take this to Rajan's capital account 1575, and then you have to Selva's capital account 525. So this is the amount of 2,100 to be shared among both the partners. Okay. Next we saw that there is a general reserve. You have an amount of, do the calculation here. Let's close with this. Now general reserve has got to be transferred. The amount of general reserve 4,000. Now this 4,000 to be shared among both the partners. Rajan, 4,000 into 3 by 4. Okay, so 1,000. His share is 3,000. And Selva, 4,000 into 1 by 4. So capital account is credited with 1,000. Next we have profit and loss account to the extent of 10,000, which has to be shared among both the partners. So for Rajan, 10,000 into 3 by 4. That comes up to 4 2s 8 9 10 20 4 5. So 2,500 means 7,500. And Selva, 10,000 into 1 by 4. So it is 2,500. Now this is a loss which has to be taken to the debit side of the capital account. So we have completed with revaluation. Now we are going to prepare the capital account of the partners. Now we prepare the capital account. So bring down the capital balance first. Now this is given in the balance sheet. Okay. So what is Raju's amount? Given as 30,000, and for Selva it is 16,000. Second, immediately write the amount which is brought in by the new partner. So by bank account. Now he brings in an amount of rupees 10,000. Okay. Next, there is a profit on revaluation which has to be taken to the capital account. So by profit on revaluation account. What is it? 1575, and the amount is 525. Nothing for the new partner. And then we have the general reserve which has to be transferred to the profit and capital account. By general reserve, we have already calculated the general reserve, 3,000 and 1,000. Okay. Okay. Next, we have the profit and loss amount which is to be debited to profit and loss account. The amount is 7,500, 2,500. Nothing will be shared with the new partner who is admitted. So he will not get any share of it. Okay, so let us close the account now. This is 10,000, 16, 17,000, 525, 34,000, 575. Okay. Let's write the amount. It is 17,525, 34,575. Now this is a balance which has got to be carried down. Now 10,000 from here, it's got to be taken down, and we balance for 34,575. Subtract 7,500, you get 20,775. Then from 17,525, you subtract 2,500, you get 15,000. Okay. So that's it. How you prepare your revaluation account and your capital account. So after preparing the revaluation account, share this profit on revaluation on the profit sharing ratio as I have given here, take it to the credit of capital account. This balance is there in the balance sheet. Then the amount which is brought in by the new partner for capital. Then profit on revaluation is transferred here. General reserve, you have to share it among the old partner in the old profit sharing ratio. This is a work note. So that also is transferred. Then profit and loss, it is an item of loss. So it is taken to the debit side. So it is shared among them in the old partner's profit sharing ratio. And then we balance it. So the amount closing is given here. Now this will be taken to the balance sheet when we prepare the new balance sheet after the admission of Mr. Ganesh as a partner. So we do the balance sheet next.